Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on dYdX token. The price line of dYdX has dropped at a very critical support, but on the other hand, it can be another very nice buy the dip opportunity, and I'll show you why it can be a very nice buying opportunity. But before starting the analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I have shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, I would like to show you this live daily time frame chart, and we can see that we had a sell-off, and so far the price line is continuously moving down. But if we take a look at the volume, the sell volume is not too much powerful like previously we had the buying volume. And here I have also placed the volume oscillator, and this is really very useful indicator to watch or measure the power of buying or sell volume. Right now we can see that it is moving in the negative territory. You can watch the value here when I'll place my mouse here, and you can see that it is in negative 23, and previously when we had this buying, then it was in positive 16.5. So right now it is moving in a very deep position in the negative territory. Now if I place some trend lines, then you can see that it has formed another down channel on the daily time frame. You can see I am just connecting all these supports of the candlesticks, and to the upside we have this resistance. You can see that we have a valid resistance with so many rejections, and we also have a valid support with so many bounces. But the price line is testing the support more than the resistance. That is a critical thing, and as much it will test the support, there will be more chances that it can break down the support. Now if I place this trend line here, then we are still moving in a bull flag, because if I place this Fibonacci tool from this low to this high, then we can see that the price line has retraced up to 0.382 Fibonacci retracement level, and right now you can see it is sloping down. That is a bit critical, but approximately it is moving at 0.382 Fibonacci retracement level. And if this support of the down channel will be broken down, then it can drop to the next price level support that we have here, approximately at $18.5. If I switch to the 4-hourly time frame chart, then you can see that this $18.5 has been breaking as a resistance here, and as a resistance here, and as a support here. Therefore, if the price line will break down the support of the channel, then we will have an additional support of this 18.5. So far so good. The price line did not break down the support of the channel, and if we take a look at the oscillator, the stochastic oscillator, then stochastic has entered the oversold area on the daily time frame. Now if we switch back to the 4-hourly time frame again, then we can see that the stochastic is very much synchronized with the price line. But whenever the price line is moving at the support and the stochastic is entered in the oversold zone, we are having a nice rally to the upside, and the stochastic goes to the overbought zone again. Here we can see that the stochastic was oversold, the price line was at the support of this channel, and again the stochastic moved up, and price line followed the signal and moved very close to this resistance of the channel. Again we had this action here, repeated again, and right now again the price line is at the support, and this is the first green bullish candlestick is being appeared right now, and we have also received the buying signal by the stochastic as well. So there is a possibility that the price line can have a reversal from here up to this resistance, and in case of breakout this bull flag, our next target, for example, if we will have a breakout from here, then our next imminent target after this breakout will be approximately $39. So next few hours are really very important. We are at the support again of this down channel, that is a bull flag. If we will have a reversal, then a move at least up to $23 is expected, and after breaking out this resistance we can expect the next move up to $39. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I have shared. Take care. Goodbye.